you. One second. I hope you all are good. Now I taking class standard 12 subject account, and we going in part 1, chapter number 1, introduction to partnership. We see and understand in the previous lecture provision of Indian Partnership Act when absence of partnership deed, and we understand the partnership deed and in which agreement what points to be included in a partnership deed when partners are emerged and start the partnership firm. Okay, so now we are going through a next point, explanation and general entry in a transactions. How to create transaction and transactions, how to written down in a general entry form. So this entry are posting in a ledger's account, that is partnership capital or a current account. There is a two method of partnership capital account preparing. So in this partnership capital account, here partners and that transaction created in between partners and partnership firm, that is partnership capital account, where two methods, fluctuating capital account method and fixed capital account method, we will discuss in the next lecture. Now here some general entry are to be clear to know about how to create transaction, and the transactions are preparing in a general entry form, and this entry posting in the accounting partners capital account, profit and loss appropriation account, then we are going in a balance sheet form. Okay, so here first is interest on capital. So here we know that in partnership deed, if among the partners are discussed and agree some percentage given by the business on as on capital, interest on capital. So interest on capital is the expense of a business, because partner capital given to the business, so this interest given by the business to partner, so this is expenses for business and income for partner. So any expense and any loss are written down in a debit side, okay, and any income and any profit written down in a credit side. Okay, so here when interest on capital is payable, so interest on capital is debit to partners capital account. We written down this entry in credit side partner capital's account and name of the against what is interest on capital account. जब भी हम लेजर्स अकाउंट की पोस्टिंग करते हैं, तब अगर हम क्रेडिट साइड में अगर कोई भी रिटर्न डाउन करते हैं तो उसका नाम वही नहीं लिखेंगे. हम पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट नहीं लिखेंगे, हम क्या लिखेंगे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट. व्हाट आर द रीजन, द क्रेडिट बैलेंस शोइंग इन अ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, सो हियर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. तो उस जो पर्टिकुलर आइटम है उसका हमें नाम लिखना होगा. ओके, नाउ व्हेन क्लोज द एंट्री ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, any expense and any loss, any income and profit should be closed, and this expense and income, profit and loss transfer in the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so we see that in a profit and loss appropriation account, any expenses and loss written in down in a debit side, and any income and profit written down in a credit side on profit and loss account. Okay, so this is profit and loss account I am preparing. So this is debit side and this is credit side. Here we are here income showing. Okay, so interest on capital, sorry, profit and loss account appropriation is debit, but for which item? So this is expenses of business, so interest on capital account credit, income on capital. Okay, so this is expense and we written down a debit side na profit and loss account, and we close our entry interest on capital account. Okay, so here you know that very well, in a journal entry one side debit and one side credit item same and same amount, so this entry will be closed and new entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account. But for what reason? So interest on capital. First we payable to the partners. So interest on capital is debit and partners capital account credit. Okay, remember this thing, interest on capital, this is expense for business and income for partner. This question will be asked in exam also 1 marks. Okay, so it should be remembered. Okay, so here now we at the end of the year we transfer our expenses into the profit and loss account. So any expenses are debit, it should be credit. ओके, जब भी कोई एंट्री को क्लोज करना हो हम उसके वाइस वर्सा मतलब उसके अगेंस्ट में उसकी एंट्री करेंगे। तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एक्सपेंस था वो डेबिट साइड में हमने रिटर्न डाउन किया, उसे क्लोज जब भी करना है तो हमें क्या करेंगे, उसको क्रेडिट साइड में लिखेंगे। और जब उसे हम क्रेडिट साइड में लिखेंगे हमें पता है कि एक्सपेंसेस शोन इन द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, तो हम डेबिट में क्या करेंगे, पीएल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट। आई होप यू क्लियर दिस पॉइंट। नाउ सेकंड इज सैलरी बोनस रेम्यूनरेशन गिवन टू पार्टनर। ओके, and we know that this agreement is this is salary bonus remuneration given by partner, agreed by among all the partner, but this provision is not mentioned in partnership deed. Okay, so here when expenses are doing by business and give salary bonus remuneration to active partner, so this is our expenses and income for partners. Okay, so partners salary bonus remuneration account debit and credit into partners capital account. Okay, now here disclose the salary bonus account, so this is expense and we are transferred into the profit and loss account. So this expense is debit, now we are written down in a credit sum and disclose this entry. So profit and loss account appropriation account debit to salary account. Okay, now here interest on drawing. So here interest on drawing is income for business and expense for partner. Okay, because some capital taken by partner for their personal use. Okay, so this is income for the business, because business charge some interest on drawing by partners. So here when interest on drawing charged by business to from partners, so here partners capital account debit, because जो partners की capital इतनी थी उसमें से हमने क्या किया, इंटरेस्ट लिया, तो वो क्या हो गई, रिड्यूस होगी, एंड कैपिटल जो है वो पार्टनर्स के रिटर्न डाउन होती है, तो वहाँ से अगर उसे हम उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे तो जब भी कोई अकाउंट अगर डिक्रीज होगा तो हम उसके अगेंस्ट की साइड में हम उसे रिटर्न डाउन करेंगे। तो जो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट है वो क्रेडिट साइड में होती है, उसको अगर हमने रिड्यूस किया तो हमने क्या किया, उसको डेबिट साइड में रिटर्न डाउन किया। नाउ हियर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट, फॉर विच रीजन कैपिटल रिड्यूस on a partners capital account, that is interest on drawing account. Okay, and this income transfer to profit and loss account and we disclose the interest on drawing account. So we written down in a credit side of profit and loss appropriation account because income is shown in the profit and loss appropriation account at the end of the year. So here जब भी हमें कोई भी एंट्री को डिस्क्लोज करना है तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे, अगेंस्ट साइड में लिखेंगे। मीन्स ये क्रेडिट में था तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, डेबिट में लिखेंगे। सो दिस एंट्री विल बी डिस्क्लोज्ड नाउ। सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। ओके, सो दिस एंट्री विल बी डिस्क्लोज्ड एंड आवर एंट्री इज partners capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Now here, but what for the reason profit and loss appropriation account is credit, so interest on drawing. Okay, so this is mentioned in a description box. Okay, we will discuss in a accounting form partners capital account and PL profit and loss appropriation account simultaneously. Okay, so you know more clear about the general entries, how posting into the accounts. Okay, now profit transfer to general reserve. Here I explain to all of you. This is profit and loss account. If expenses are more then income, so it should be loss of the business. Loss occurred in the business. There 1 lakh and here 80,000. So 20,000 is for loss. Now if income is more than to the loss, so here 1 lakh and here 80,000. So 20,000 is profit of the business. Now this 20,000 transferred to the general reserve. So profit is written down in a credit side, but here this our transfer into the general reserve. So profit and loss account debit to general reserve account. Okay, now here if profit occurred into the business, so if I decide this 20,000, 10,000 return in general reserve and 10,000 distribute to partner in according to their proportion rate ratio 1 to 1 1. Okay, so 2 3. So profit and loss account is debit to partners capital account. Okay, so any income and any salary incurred in business that shown in partners capital account credit side. Okay, so here if loss incurred in the business, suppose 20,000 here, so we are transferring, distributing loss among the partners according to their set and predetermined ratio. Partners capital account debit. Any expenses and loss incurred by the partner should be written on partner's capital account. So partner's capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. I hope till now you cleared all the points. If any doubt, you can comment on a YouTube live video. Okay, sorry, YouTube offline videos. So here interest on loan. Sometimes loan given by the partner. So if Partners are not decided the percentage given interest on loan, so it should be must 6% given to the partner. So interest on loan, this is expenses for business, and when we are give interest on loan, cash goes out into the business, and for which expenses, that is interest on loan. So expense debit to goes out cash into the business. So here entry interest on loan is debit to cash account credit. Now sometimes we are not pay as a cash and we are outstanding of it. So here outstanding is our liability, means this amount, this expense is payable to some after time, so that some after time is a liability for us, because this is responsibility to pay the interest on loan to the partner. So outstanding is a liability for the business, and liability written down in a credit side and asset written down in a asset side, sorry, debit side. So here it is interest on loan debit to interest on loan outstanding. Okay, so this is expenses and we are not paying right now cash to the partners या फिर बैंक to the partner. So it is outstanding and it is liability for business. Now here we are transfer the interest on loan account into the PL account. So this is our expenses and transfer and disclose this expense. तो यहाँ पे हमने यहाँ पे डेबिट साइड लिखा, तो हम यहाँ पे कहाँ लिखेंगे, क्रेडिट साइड में. एंड एक्सपेंसेस जब भी रिटर्न डाउन होता है और हम उसे ट्रांसफर करते हैं पीएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में, तो वो कहाँ पे होगा, डेबिट साइड में. So PL appropriation account debit to interest on loan account. I hope this is clear, the journal entry and how we are prepared